with the topic of logistics and transportation, which is very relevant for the mining industry because most of the cost is concerned with the transportation, handling, and logistics of coal. And optimizing it can serve a lot to the end customer as well as mining companies in towards greener and sustainable deliveries of raw material. And to begin this session, I would like to invite chairpersons and speakers of the session to the dais. So to start with, I would like to invite Sri T.K. Nag sir, former CMD, Northern Coalfields Limited. Nag sir, kindly come on the dais. Sir, kindly join us on the dais. Now we have Sri Subrata Chakravarti, former CMD of Eastern Coalfields Limited, as co-chair of the session. Sir, kindly come on the dais. For speakers in this session, we have a lot of speakers. So we will be requesting the chairpersons of the session to kindly restrict the timing to maybe 10 minutes for each speakers. So to start with, we have first speaker as Sri Kiran Gosala, DGM, NTPC. Sir, kindly come on the stage. And we have Sri Tushar Chakravarti, Executive Director, Deloitte. Sri Tushar, kindly come on the dais. We have Sri Vijay Kumar Jadhav, DGM, Institutional Sales and Strategic Business, Volvo Trucks. Sir, kindly come on the dais. Sri Ajay Kumar, CGM, Dedicated Freight Corridor of India, DFCCIL. And Mr. Mansoor Faruqi, CEO of Link Hall India. Please come on the dais. So before we proceed with this session, it is my privilege to formally introduce the distinguished chairpersons and speakers of the session. So to start with, I would like to introduce the chairperson of the session, Sri T.K. Nag sir. He is a former CMD, Northern Coalfields Limited. And Sri T.K. Nag sir is an ISM Dhanbad graduate and is a veteran mining professional with over 38 years of experience in Coal India Limited. He served as a Director Technical at CCL and later as a CMD of NCL, achieving good record production and operational benchmarks. Post-retirement, he advised WBPDCL and serves on high-level coal and power committees. He is a recipient of Eminent Engineers Award and E-India Award. He is widely published and respected in mining sector. Now, I would like to briefly introduce the co-chairman of the session, Sri Subrata Chakravarti. He is former CMD, Eastern Coalfields Limited. Sri Subrata Chakravarti, an ISM Dhanbad graduate with over 3 decades of coal sector, served as a Director Technical and later as Chairman cum Managing Director of ECL. His tenure focused on enhancing production, operational efficiency, and planning across Coal India subsidiaries. Widely respected, he has represented India internationally and is recognized for his leadership and contributions to the coal mining industry. Now I come to the speakers of the session for their introduction. We have Mr. Kiran Gosala as a speaker. He is currently working as a Deputy General Manager, looking after bulk logistics in Corporate Center of NTPC. He has over 8 years of experience in managing coal logistics for NTPC Group. He has been a part of expert committee formed by Niti Aayog for reducing coal sourcing cost. He was also a core member of coal rationalization exercise of Ministry of Power and was involved in formulation of coal logistics plan by Ministry of Coal. Now I would like to introduce Sri Tushar Chakravarti, Executive Director of Deloitte India. Sri Tushar Chakravarti. Sri Tushar Chakravarti has over 20 years of experience in mining and metals, strategy and business consulting, a mining engineer with first-class mine manager certificate and a postgraduate in business management. He has led 60 plus consulting engagement across India and globally. His expertise spans operational excellence, digital transformation, strategic minerals, and policy advisory, serving governments and leading private sector companies. Now we have Sri Vijay Kumar Yadav as a speaker. Sri Vijay Kumar Yadav is a mining engineering graduate from NIT Karnataka, Surathkal, with executive PG diploma in international business from IFT, New Delhi, having 2 decades of mining experience in mining sales, operations, marketing, and business development. Currently, he is working with Volvo Trucks as Deputy GM, Institutional Sales and Strategic Business. He also worked with prestigious organizations like Atlas Copco, Gamco, and Adani Enterprises Limited. And we also have Sri Ajay Kumar as our speaker. He is Chief General Manager, Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India. Sri Ajay Kumar is an IIT Roorkee alumnus with BTech in Civil Engineering and MTech in Environmental Engineering, and is Chief General Manager at DFCCIL with over 25 years of experience in railways. He has significantly contributed to infrastructure development and operational efficiency, leading strategic initiatives like Eastern Dedicated Freight Corridor. He has strengthened India's freight logistics and earned recognition, including National Award for Outstanding Services in 2017. So now I request Sri T.K. Nag sir to kindly initiate the session with his remark. The dais is yours, sir. So apologies, we have missed one introduction of one of the speakers who is also well known in the industry for providing technology solutions, Mr. Mansoor Faruqi. Apologies for missing you. Mr. Mansoor Faruqi is CEO at Link Hall India Private Limited. Mr. Mansoor Faruqi has earned dual master's degree in business from Queensland University of Technology, Brisbane, Australia. His professional journey encompasses diverse fields including logistics, digitization, cybersecurity, and web technologies, contributing to extensive industry knowledge to enhance India's logistics sector progressively. With substantial experience in remote regions of Bharat, particularly within the metals and mineral sector, Mr. Mansoor Faruqi has worked with medium to large enterprises such as JSW Steel, JSPL, Tata Steel, AMNS, Balmer Lawire, and Vedanta in their digital transformation endeavors in logistics and supply chain management. Thank you.
Good afternoon, distinguished guests, speakers, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to welcome you all to this technical session number 2 on logistics and transportation as part of the 5th CLI 2025 International Conference on Decarbonizing the Coal Supply Chain, Challenges and Opportunities. The coal supply chain isn't just about extraction and consumption. It also involves how coal is transported, handled, and delivered. In India, coal transportation makes up a large part of logistics activity, mainly through rail, road, and increasingly these days by coastal shipping and multimodal systems as well. Each mode not only affects the cost, but also leaves significant carbon footprint. Today, as the coal sector seeks to balance energy security with climate commitments, logistics and transformation becomes key areas for decarbonization. Improvements in freight efficiency, adoption of cleaner fuels, expansion of electrified rail corridors, use of digital tools for optimization, and integration of inland waterways and coastal shipping. All these efforts can significantly cut emissions while boosting reliability and cost effectiveness. Our session today brings together some distinguished leaders and experts from the railway sector, dedicated freight corridors, private logistics enterprises, consulting firms, and power utilities. Together, they will share their perspectives on how we can reimagine coal logistics. Let us treat this session not just as a showcase of solutions, but as a laboratory of ideas, where logistics becomes the lever for systemic change. I am delighted to have with me my co-chair, Mr. Subrato Chakravarti, former chairman ECL, who incidentally is my batchmate also. And I would request him to share his thoughts also on this. Okay, okay. So with this, let me invite first Mr. Kiran Gosala, DGM NTPC. Please come on the dais. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Nag sir, respected chair of this panel, Nag sir, Subrata sir, all senior dignitaries, my co-panelists, and all the delegates who are attending this conference. A brief introduction about me. My name is Kiran Gosala, and I'm working in the corporate center